Hey, welcome back to Travis Vibes. I'm Travis Irby. I quit my corporate tech job to vibe code on YouTube with you and learn about AI. Having a lot of fun so far. Welcome back. Sorry about the delay since my last video. I got really sick. My whole family did. We fought it off. I have been vibe coding and I want to get back into it. The main bit of news is we're going to pivot. We're going to pivot on our app idea. We've been building housebrush.com where a user can provide us a photo of their house and we're going to use OpenAI's image editing to render it with a new color. I really like that idea. I've actually done that myself working with my wife on some ideas for our house, but it's not an app that I'm so passionate about that I can see myself building it for a long period of time. It's an app that I came up with as an idea for the YouTube video that I think was fun and would build and then put on a shelf. I realize now the best experience that I can provide on YouTube is to build something that I'm really passionate about and that maybe can turn into something more long-term, and that passion that I have will seep out into the videos and into the product that I'm building so that we'll get more people using it and trying it. Let me show you what I've built so far, because when I was sick, I did do some vibe coding on this already. So we'll see where we're at and we'll start building and vibe coding this new app. Here we are, WePaint.ai. This is my idea. I want to build a web-based, open source, easy to use AI image and paint editor. That means that you can do basic painting things like you would expect, and that's basically all I've implemented so far is really basic painting, doing standard things, changing the brush size, changing the color of the paint stroke, some basic undo redo, some of which isn't even hooked up yet. And yeah, we're gonna build a lot more here because it's about painting, but it's also about the AI image generation and image editing that will have integrated deeply into the app as well. And it's really not just about me painting solo. Of course, a lot of the time that's what I will do. But if I share my session, then we could have a friend jump in and do some painting as well. Keep in mind, we need to do a lot of work on the performance of the stroke of the painting. As far as other options in the space, I think for the painting and the real-time collaboration, Excalidraw is a great comparison. Amazing product, open source, has real-time collaboration, but it's a lot more of a serious, collaborative whiteboarding tool versus what I want to build, which is about having fun with art, coming up with some wacky ideas, potentially seeing how to collaborate in an artistic, creative way with the AI image gen technology that is coming out and getting better and better. I also see that there are a lot of professional tools that allow for this kind of creative experimentation and creative output. However, I'm not going after professionals. I'm going after you and me having fun, maybe doing a Photoshop battle with a friend, or just getting some inspiration. Easy to use interface, simple tools. That's where we will shine. I think I'm going to keep this one short and sweet today. Just run you through the idea, explain the pivot. Next video, let's dive back into the vibe coding, back into the actual building of the app. I'll also explain some of the technology choices that I made in building the base app. Stay tuned.